you guys doing? Twitch. And maybe it'll come around. I got shrimp chip, shrimp chip, and I got like a jelly. I have like these jellies. I don't know what flavor they are, like pomegranate. And I got my iron supplement. And I have iron pill. Yay! I went to the doctor and I got new iron pill. I've kind of been doctor maxing recently. Oh shit, I didn't get a drink. Wait, 1 second.